it's like it's unbearable to know how many people are really solid, godly people, but they're so stuck. And they know what they're supposed to do. They know their industry, that's just they're executing, getting it to market. The system, it's like hidden. They've been through trauma. They've been through darkness. They've got incredible prophetic vision. They understand how to hear from God, but they don't know how to. They don't know how to do the business and bring it to the marketplace. They're so stuck. It's a bondage. It's a slavery. And we're going to break that. We're going to break every last dark and evil bondage off of God's people. We've got 30,000 people registered for this event. This is like one of the largest online digital events that is happening in our day. There's a few bigger, but there's not many. And so this is so exciting to be able to get God's people with the technology we have in the same virtual room, online, all together, and actually solve their problems together in real time. This is historical. This is going into the actual field of their endeavor together and lifting the yoke with them, solving the problems with them. This is getting spicy. It's getting dangerous in ways that are very good. The biggest thing that anyone could leave this event with is to actually take what they have on the inside. It's a talent, it's a skill, some difficulty they overcame. They got out of darkness, they got out of depression. They have a solution to problems. It is in them. You're a speaker or you're a teacher. You're an administrator or you're a leader. You're a repairer of people or you're a builder of systems. You're a communicator or you are one of those things. It was made for you before the earth was made. You're to do good works. It's there and it's without doubt. And the very finest thing you could do by the end of these 5 days is actually create your product to bring it to the marketplace so you can actually put it in front of an audience and fund your assignment. People ask all the time, how do I actually participate in the marketplace? How do I actually enter into this war zone? It seems confusing. It's not confusing. It's not difficult at all. It's set up for your success. The marketplace is set up for supply and demand. There's a massive amount of demand right now. There is an enormous amount of money right now. There are people screaming for this solution that only you have for them right now. God set it up that way. And the abundance is waiting there. The problem people have is they don't have a system to ship it. They don't have a delivery method to just bring it to them. It's like a demonic seduction. You won't figure it out, you won't know how to do it, and we're going to kill that seduction. You're going to bring it to the market in 5 days. What we're going to do is we're going to solve that together. We're going to hold their hand, we're going to solve the how, and they're going to bring it to the marketplace, and they're going to win. That's the incredible thing about the Bible in business. It gives a revelation, which is a blueprint. It gives a method to follow. It gives a system to follow. And the incredible thing about God's blueprint, which is building Goshen, building the kingdom economy, is it actually works in times of crisis. It actually thrives in times of crisis. The righteous will have more than enough. God is able to make all grace abound and all supply abound. So this blueprint, there's nothing in all of the cosmos like this. And we're going to lay out the whole biblical blueprint, and it's so gritty and practical where people can put together the system, ship it to the marketplace, bring it to the marketplace, deliver it to the marketplace so the marketplace can see and the marketplace responds. Life is a market. Life is a marketplace, and only traders win. That is the incredible thing about it. That a lot of Christian business owners who are scrambling for more information, they miss. This is a revelation. This is something that changes everything. You live inside your revelation. So when you get revelation, you have more light and you live inside of that light. When you live inside of that light, you're living in the kingdom of God. One of the incredible things about seeing and understanding means you can operate inside of that light and that understanding. And the understanding of the kingdom is that there is a wealth transfer. God will transfer wealth out of the hands of the wicked into the hands of the righteous. What are the hands of the righteous? What do they look like? They're hands of diligence, they're hands of stewardship, they're hands of management, they're hands that manage a good name. A good name is to be desired above silver and gold. So many of our students, they've spent years and years preparing this, and now it's time to release it. The Goshen Digital launch is what is going to launch their product. The reality of this moment that we're in right now is it's a moment of greater urgency. It's a greater urgency eschatologically. The Lord is closer to returning than he was yesterday. Things are accelerating, and so it's fascinating to see prophetic, biblical, massive words being fulfilled in our day and our generation, and to see technological advancement just accelerate the use of it for evil and for good. But this is a moment where we don't have 7 years left anymore. 2030 is fast approaching, and it is time to do the work and bring your product to the marketplace. This is a very tense moment. There's a lot of pressure spiritually, and this is a moment for everyone to decide, are you going to live in Babylon's economy, or are you going to build Goshen and thrive in times of crisis? This is not an issue of how smart you are, and it's definitely not an issue of your upbringing or your schooling. You've actually got to unlearn all of the things of the old person, and this is a moment to seize hold of what God has said. It's an issue of obedience. Are you going to do it? This is not just business. This is the kingdom of God. It's not just opportunity, it's destiny. Welcome to Goshen Digital Launch.